Hello everyone! Let's make this easy and pretty lily. Take 2 pipe cleaners, fold in half. Fold in again, thread the longer end through the center. Pull up to the top and flatten. Twist the top ends once, fold sides down, and pinch tubs to a point. Straighten them out without overlapping. Pinch 1 centimeter from the base and wrap another piece to secure. Push up with your thumb to create a curve. Spread the petals for a fuller look. Make little petals total. For leaves, take 2 green pipe cleaners, cross and twist in the middle. Fold sides down, pinch tips. Leave 3 centimeters at the base, wrap to secure. Then push up for a curve. Make 2 leaves. Cut 1 pipe cleaner into 3 pieces. Take 8 stamens, place a piece in the middle. Fold over and twist ends once. Wrap upward to secure so they won't fall apart. Glue the petal bases and attach the stamens. Add glue to the bumps. Align and stick 2 petals together. Add a small dab below the bumps, then attach the flower stem. Press to secure. Attach the 3rd petal, aligning the bases. First layer, 3 petals. For the 2nd layer, place them between the first layer gaps. Press firmly to secure all 6 petals. Adjust petal spacing and fluff the center. Train the base pipe cleaner into 7 long and 8 short pieces, unevenly. Stretch floral tape to activate stickiness. Wrap from bottom up. To the top, wrap horizontally 2 to 3 times, then spiral downward. Add 9 to 10 centimeters. Add leaves on each side and continue wrapping to the base. Tear off. Once assembled, bend the stem slightly about 2 centimeters from the top. Your beautiful lily is done. Now for the bud. For the pipe cleaner, measure 6 centimeters, 2½ fingers. Pinch and twist. Fold the sides down, pinch tip, flip over. Thread 1 end through the center. Twist once to secure. Trim excess. Push up for a curve. Make 6 petals. Leaves are made the same way as petals. Assemble the bud. Glue top and bottom of petals. Stick two together. Press firmly. Repeat. Join the two halves. Align edges. Press to secure. Open the tail. Place the stem in the middle and wrap with tape. Wrap horizontally 2 to 3 times at the top, then spiral down. At 5 centimeters, add a leaf and wrap to the base. Bud is complete. Attach the bud behind the flower, half visible from the front, at leaf height. Bind them together with tape. Wow! Look at all these flowers. You can slightly bend the bud stem too. Isn't it gorgeous? Go make one yourself.